CNC Drilling and Milling Machining Center. Touchscreen control input, intuitive and easy to understand, interactive human-machine communication interface, programming-free, and can be operated by personnel without experience in CNC system operation. This CNC machine tool is designed and manufactured specifically for drilling and milling of solar photovoltaic aluminum alloy profiles for new energy electric vehicles. It can drill holes that are not in the same straight line and can also machine various hole types such as long grooves and U-shaped holes on the surface of the workpiece. Various materials such as aluminum alloy, stainless steel, fiberglass, and plastic can be drilled, milled, and grooved for processing. CNC drilling and milling integrated machine capable of drilling and milling, hot melting, tapping, and chamfering workpieces with one machine for top 6 use. Hot melt drilling and tapping for materials such as aluminum, copper, zinc iron pipes, stainless steel, etc. Drilling and tapping technology, saving costs and working hours, replacing welding and riveting nuts. CNC fully automatic hot melt drilling and tapping integrated machine. What the laser machine cannot achieve, leave it to us.